What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your USB drive being connected and reconnecting. Example, when you insert a USB drive into your computer, it just disconnects automatically and reconnects by itself. So to fix that issue, you go to the search and type device manager. Or you can also do it this way: right click on the Windows icon and select device manager. And now in device manager, you have to look for the universal serial bus controller. So these are the items under the universal bus serial controller. So you right click on one of them, go to properties, go to power management, and uncheck this allow computer to turn off this device to save power. Just uncheck it. You click on OK, go to the next one, power management, uncheck it, go to OK. So now you do this for all the items under the device, the universal serial bus controller. Uncheck all of them. Come to this one, power management, uncheck OK. Power management, uncheck. Now, if you don't see power management here, that's okay. Just move to the next one. Power management, uncheck. Properties, power management. So the next one. So you do this for all the items under the universal serial bus controller, and you should be good. This should solve your problems. And yeah, so try it out and your problem should be solved. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe and follow for more. Bye.